Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit Project 17, which is a push switch dice, a dice that will randomly show a number from 1 to 6. Let's see what it says. Complete project 14 and test it. Project 14, LEDs move in the clockwise fashion. Switch it off and connect additional wires E5 to negative. So E5 to negative, the wire is already present. Next is D7 to C28. So this wire I'm shifting from C29 to C28. Okay, so that's connected. E5 to negative, then D7 to C28. Let's switch it on. You see the clockwise rotation as before, but this time when we press the switch, all the segments will start to blink, then it will stop and show a random number. Press again and see. This is just like throwing a dice. Now it shows 3. Okay, perfect. Let's switch it off.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.